Hello everybody. Today is another good day. Today I was going to talk about the clothing industry, and also how the clothing industry has evolved, especially when it comes to the safety wears. Right. So, what are the? I asked from the Gemini, what are the list and the brands of parka the people who work in the Arctic cold oil rigs inside the oil rigs they wear it, right? So working as actually when it comes to the oil rigs, working on Arctic oil rigs demands the most cold weather gear, ensure the safety and the well-being of the workers, right? There are some safety standards that you have to follow up, right? And apart with that, actually, parkas. Normally, when it comes to the parkas are the most lethal weapon for the people who work in the safety industry and also in the industries like oil and gas. So parkas is a crucial part of this, right? Also, we have overalls, right? We have the overalls like Canada Goose and these kind of overalls we have. So, but they are usually part of a comprehensive layering systems also. You must have to have a layering system. If you don't have the layering system, in anywhere, even if you are in Siberia, even you are in Russia, even if you are in the Alaska, you know about these places like Yukon territories and also Greenland and Northern Sea and the Northern Fleets, Northern Passage, and also Nunavut and Northwest territories, Yukon territories, Alaska, and Arctic territories, and also Greenland, Iceland, and Norway, Sweden, and Finland, and the northern part of Siberia, and the Russia and Japan, and those countries. So also Alberta, Canada, Ontario, Alberta, Quebec, Saskatchewan, Winnipeg, right, Minnesota, like these places. So it's a extreme cold condition, right? So you must have to have a proper gear. But it's crucial, and it is well famous thing to have a layering system designed to protect against the extreme cold and the wind and often wet conditions, while also providing the flame and arc flash protection, right? So here are some of the breakdowns, some of the key brands that are type of parakas outwearing that the people working in the Arctic oil rigs and likely to wear. When it comes to that levels, leading brands known as extreme cold wears and PPE, right? Haley Hansen is leading. So Haley Hansen, I have a later conditions, some conditions I'll explain you. Haley Hansen workwear is a Norwegian brand, well known. It's regarded for its extreme cold weather workwear, including the parkas and the insulated jackets, right? So this often incorporate of their Heli-Tech technology and waterproofing and breathability, and some of the lights which are specifically designed for the collaboration with the polar scientists like Bifrost winter parka, right? Right, they are also offer the flame resistant options, right? And when it comes to the Venas a significant player, also it's a significant player in workwear for the high risk professionals. Venas also have it has collaborated with organizations like Sniftef and Statoil Corporation to develop workwears including the Arctic protection conditions, also for the petroleum industry in northern locations, northern sea. You can see northern sea, north pole, 60 parallel, 70 parallel, 80 parallel, and 90. And they are pirate Arctic protection range of designs to be in thinner lightweight and also water repellent, cold resistant, and also meets the fire redundancy, retarded, and the anti-static requirements, right? So some people say refrigiware. Also, it's another brand. Also, it's a brand of specialized in insulated outerwear and the gear for the cold environments, right? Making them for strong contender for Arctic conditions, especially. And the polar furs and the iron tough lines are designed for the extreme cold weather environment in that area, right? So also another brand called Dew Point. Dew Point is it's another great brand, right? It's another great brand, and it's with Nomex and Techcom Fabrics, Tychem Fabrics also. And while the Dew Point itself does not make the finished parkas, their advanced materials like Nomex for flame and arc flash resistance, and also Tychem for the chemical protection, often used for workwear manufacturers to produce a specialized garments for the oil and gas industry, including the insulated outer layers, right? So Dew Point. And Snickers workwear also, Snickers workwear, as well as the other one is Caterpillar, right? Snickers workwear for popular for professional grade of insulated clothing. Snickers workwear offers the garments that comply with the European Standard of Protection Against Cold (EN 342) standards and the RAIN EN 343 standards, and often include high visibility features. And Port West. When it comes to the Port West brand, it's also another brand of providing workwear and meets the popular safety standards, including those for the cold protection and high visibility, right? And Lafont, also another French manufacturer. Lafont offers Arctic waterproof work jackets and parkas designed for comfort and warmth in winter, suitable for professionals, right? And also the Caterpillar cat workwear, known for heavy duty workwear, and also offered insulated parkas and jackets suitable for the cold weather, right? These are the ones. And the key features are conditions of the parkas in the Arctic oil rigs, especially. Beyond the brand, we have to think about and we have to talk about it. And beyond the brand, the parkas and the outerwears worn for these environments, that must meet the stringent and safety and performance requirements. For example, extreme insulation, right? So designed to withstand a temperature far below freezing, often down to minus 40 centigrade or minus 50 centigrade colder, and advanced synthetic and down insulations, right? And also the waterproof and the windproof, essential protection against snow, freezing rain, and also brutal Arctic winds. And the materials like Gore-Tex, PU membranes, and also durable nylon and polyester are common, right? And flame resistant FR and the arc flash protection, right? This is critical requirement. Actually, remember, you have to remember this thing is a critical requirement in the oil and gas environments due to the risk of flash fires and electrical hazards. Parkas will be made from inherently flame resistant fabrics, or treated with the FR, like flame resistant chemicals, right? And also high visibility is very important. High vis, we call HI/VIS, oftenly incorporate reflective type tape and bright colors like orange or yellow or ensures workers are seen in the low light conditions and common during the Arctic winters, right? And durability. This is a more important thing, right? More and more important thing. This is constructed from the robust materials, can withstand and rigors of heavy industrial work, and including abrasions and tearing, right? Like layering system compatibility, also we must seek the layer system and the compatibility designed for this to be the outer layer of multi-layer system, allowing workers to adjust their insulation based on the activity levels and changing conditions, and include the features like adjustable cuffs and drawstrings and detachable hoods, right? That's a must be important thing. And so mobility, when it comes to mobility and comfort, despite being heavily insulated, and the garments need to allow for a full range of motion for demanding the physical work. Ergonomic design is crucial, right? And additional features may include the reinforced stress points, also numerous pocket and radio loops, and compatibility with other PPE like the hats and gloves, right? So that is must be important. It's important to note that these companies operating these rigs will often have specific PPE requirements, and may contract the specific manufacturers to providing certified gear for their workers, right? This is actually, it is all about the Prakas who works in the oil rigs and these specific areas. This is all about today, and I hope you enjoy this video, and we will see you soon in another great and good and sustainable video. And my name is Tushan, and this is my channel, and hope you will click the thumbs and subscribe my channel and give us a support. This is educational and historical. This channel we are discussing about the history, and also psychology, as well as the philosophy, and also about the technical matters. Also, I am especially related to IT and cloud and the artificial intelligence. These industries is why we talk about this channel, right? This is not a political channel. Actually, sometimes we talk about the geopolitics and the multipolar world architecture, right? Economical and political architecture we are talking about in sometimes. So hope you enjoy this channel. See you. Have a great day, and God bless you all.